Welcome to Trickz. So new video, and we are talking about a new app. So this is not exactly a new app. I have been using this app for 5 to 6 years, and that is PicsArt. These days I have explored some cool new features, cool new designs in PicsArt. These are the portrait new designs. So in this video we're going to talk about a new portrait effect, that is dual triangle effect. So while we are waiting here, let's get started. So select the image that you want to edit. I selected this portrait. So remember, you should only use portrait photos for this editing. So first you need to go to the cutout, and you need to cut the area of the person here. So from tapping this icon you can automatically select it, but to manually selected the unselected part of the body. So zoom and select the part. So you should need to reduce the size of the selecting item. This will take some while to do it. There can be some part but selected as a body part, but it's not exactly, so you have to unselect those areas as well. So I now done the selecting part. So this is a selective variance, and now you have to save this one. Select the edited photo that, and you need to flip it horizontally and save it again. So previously we saved the portrait, selected portrait that we want to show. Now we are going to edit the backgrounds. So I selected white color background, and now I'm going to the tools and crop pro using 3x4 and crop it. So now I'm going to the drawing menu and select draw here. So now I have to select two triangles, and I need to adjust the colors as well. So first I like to go with some purple color,
and select the triangle with the fill and draw it. Now select the other color that you want to. So we done with the background and save it. Now you have flip version and the original version and background. Now start to using your background here. And from add photo, you can add both your portraits here. You can see how can you select those two flip versions for either side. I think now this is cool, and save the version. So now you have to go to the draw menu again and select rectangle and fill with the color that I used, and draw like this. So now you done the first part. Now you have to do the second part for selecting the effects. So go to the effect menu, magic and flare. In the flare option, choose this option, 3 circles. And go to the overlay. And you can fade and see the changes and select what are the area that you used to prefer. So I like to go with this amount. It's good for me. Select the erase option and select the area of the body and erase. Carefully see what I'm going to do. I'm not erasing, I'm going to reverse the effect. You should have effect effectively on the body parts and reverse like this. It's only appeared in the body parts only. So we done this trick, the dual triangle effects on PicsArt. So you can also add some mask as well if you prefer. So if you prefer mask, suggest to go with the lights and go to the on fire and select on fire and change in the hue as well. You should select hue, go with your background. And do the same change for the other side of portrait. And select like this. So you can see I selected the colors, same colors with the backgrounds. and done. So this is a final variant of the picture of the dual tone. I think you like. You can done with your portraits as well. So save the final changes. Let's remember that what we have done from this portrait and another portrait.
We discuss about dual triangle effect in details. If you think this video is helpful, like it and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions regarding this video or any other video, you can discuss in the comment sections down below. So that's for today, and stay tuned with Trickz, and we discuss more tutorials in Lightroom and PicsArt in future. See ya in the next video.